Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting a Discord JavaScript error on startup, don't worry. This usually happens due to corrupted files, missing components, or permission issues. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Completely close Discord. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find Discord and click End Task so no background process is running. Step 2. Delete Discord folders. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, and press Enter. Delete the Discord folder, then go back, type %local appdata%, and delete the Discord folder there too. Corrupted files here are a major cause of JavaScript errors. Step 3. Uninstall Discord. Go to Control Panel, Arrow Programs, Arrow, uninstall a program, find Discord, and remove it completely. Step 4. Install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Discord depends on system components like Visual C++. If they are missing or damaged, JavaScript errors can appear. Install or repair the latest Visual C++ packages from Microsoft. Step 5. Check antivirus software. Some antivirus programs block Discord files. Temporarily disable antivirus and try launching Discord. Step 6. Run Discord as administrator. After reinstalling, right-click Discord and choose Run as administrator. Step 7. Reinstall Discord fresh. Download the latest version from the official Discord website and install it again after restarting your PC. Step 8. Update Windows. Go to Settings, Arrow, Windows, Update, and install any pending updates. Missing system updates can cause compatibility issues. Most Discord JavaScript errors happen because of corrupted app files or missing system components, and these steps fix the issue in most cases. After this, Discord should start without errors. See you in the next guide.